guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing both a makeup tutorial and a review for you. I'm going to be doing like a summery bronzed makeup look, but also reviewing the new NYX California Beamin face and body bronzer for you guys. This just released at Ulta. This bronzer is priced at $13, which is so good for the amount of product that you get in the pan. So this bronzer comes in 4 shades. I purchased the shade Sunset Vibes. I'm a little concerned that this is going to be a little bit too dark for me, but I'm going to go in with a light hand and we're going to build it up and we're going to see what we get. I tend not to go for bronzers that have that glitter in them, but I wouldn't call this a glitter. It's more of like a natural sheen, and if this achieves like a natural glow on my skin, then I definitely will be going for this a lot come summertime. I've already done my foundation. I used my Il Makiage foundation to get a very light base. I didn't want to do a lot of makeup because in the summertime that's not what I'm going to be going for. I'm going to be going for a light foundation. So I went for the Il Makiage foundation, and then I set my foundation by using my Derma Blend translucent powder, and then brightened up with my Essence Brighten Up powder. And then I did my eyebrows by using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So before I jump into the bronzer, I'm going to do my eyeshadow by using the Per Festival palette, and we will be right back. So now we're ready to jump into this bronzer. Oh, I'm so excited to put it on. Okay, so I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics bronzer brush. I just cleaned it so it looks amazing. It looks a little pink. Oh my word, that was a lot of product. Okay, I'm going to use the other side of my brush to kind of blend that out. Oh my word, you guys. This is so pigmented. Look at this side compared to this side. That is crazy. I love this. All right. This bronzer is so pigmented, you guys. I really like this. I am so glad that I picked this up. So I feel like this undertone is probably a little bit too orange for me. But with a tan, like, this is gonna be beautiful. It's probably like, if you like a natural bronzer, you ain't gonna like this. But if you like heavy bronzer and you're going for a really heavy bronze look, like, I don't even need blush with this. Like, I was gonna put on the Tarte blush, but I don't think I even want to put any blush on with this. Like, I just want straight up bronzer. So I think it has a little bit of like an orangey pink undertone, but I'm okay with that. Like I really like how this turned out, and it has like a really soft glow. Like I don't have any highlight on, and you can see a glow happening on right here. So really impressed with this. I really like this. If you don't like glowy bronzers, you probably won't like this. If you want to stick with more of a matte bronzer, then I wouldn't suggest purchasing this, but it's $13. That is so affordable for a bronzer. It's very pigmented, so I would just be careful of that. I applied a lot, but I kind of was wanting a heavy bronzed look. So I really like this. When I actually have a tan, this bronzer will look so good and so amazing in the summertime. My whole brush fits in here. You can put it on your body, make yourself look tan. You can cheat a little bit. I'm going to finish up by using the Artist Couture Summer Haze Diamond Glow Powder. I've been using this Moda brush to apply the powder highlight. And that just makes me look like I'm ready for summer. I love the soft glow that I get with this highlight. It is so pretty. I love it. And the sparkle is really fine and diffused, and with this brush applying it, it applies so well. All right, to finish up this look, I'm going to be putting on this ultra glossy lip from Colourpop. It is in the shade On Board. And that is my finished look, you guys. I love how this look turned out, very glowy, and my skin just looks really healthy and tan, and I really like this look. But anyway, that is all that I have for you in this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my thoughts on this bronzer. I am all on board with this bronzer. This is so good, you guys. I really like this, and I know I'm going to be wearing this so much in the summertime. I feel like it could be a dupe for some of those high-end bronzers. Like, this is so good, and it's so pigmented. It's very glowy. The formula is so creamy. Go to the closest Ulta, pick up this bronzer. You will not regret it. That is all that I have for you guys in this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this type of video. I know it's a mixture of a review / makeup tutorial, but I really enjoyed doing this look for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.